The piece I chose to talk about today is titled Tree, Circles, and Triangles. It was made by Becky Guttin in 2018. Guttin was inspired by another woman named Louise Palmer, who believed that students need visual stimulation to learn meaning and that there should be more opportunity to leave the four walls of the classroom and out into nature. The piece is located in the La Jolla Historical Society. Um, According to the information board provided by the La Jolla Historical Society, it states that the solid wood represents nature, while the glass brings awareness to how students are often educated in a confined classroom with windows as their only visual connection to the outdoors. Guttin uses two materials in wood and glass to represent indoor and outdoor education. She uses a variety of shapes and sizes of wood and glass that creates a balance that was used when explaining the use of nature in education. I believe that the use of glass also gives a contrast of color and visual transparency, being that glass is transparent and light in appearance, whereas wood is solid and heavy looking. Guttin also uses patterns in her piece by placing 2 to 3 pieces of glass between each piece of wood. Another aspect I would like to point out is that when you look at the wood, there are different shades of brown due to different parts of the tree being either cut off or shaved off. I believe that because of the wood is used to represent nature, that the different shapes create a connection with the many different ways nature can be used to benefit education. The wood also has many lines that goes in many different directions and have different curves and edges to them. In a case where the glass were to be stained into different colors, then it could be thought of as the many different ways to educate within the windows of the classroom. Lastly, I'd like you to notice that the wood and glass are placed in somewhat of a slanted direction, causing an asymmetrical shape to the piece, yet Guttin was able to balance it while keeping that asymmetrical look.